Well, here I'm at Nature Unlimited in Topeka, Indiana. Martin Gourds, Gilberts and Bluebird houses, cedar bluebird houses, bat houses, wood duck box, flicker box, mason bee trap, more bird houses, traps, martin houses. We got all kinds of stuff. It's great stuff. Nice stuff for hummingbirds. We got bird feeders, all kinds of custom made. And these are all Amish made, by the way. All of these. Look at these things. Love this one. This one's great. These are great. All of these are great. Love this stuff. We got potatoes growing. We got bulk bird seed. See, there's bulk bird seed there, all kinds of stuff. And then we go out here and we have the greenhouses. So we got greenhouses. This is one of my favorite places, and these people have been friends of mine for many, many years. As you can see, there's the Amish run. There's the Martin colony here. Nice Martin colony with martins chirping. As you can see, horses in the pasture, cattle back there. It's a cool place. Just south of Shipshewana, in case you're wondering. And we got a greenhouse. Beautiful greenhouse. There's actually two of them. So, well, including this one, it'd be three. So, you need to take a trip out here. And you can name drop. You can name drop. My name is Rick Cruz. Just drop a name. Tell them you're friends of Rick Cruz. They'll help you out. All right. Till next time.